As a big fan, I would pay much more for the amount of content that they have here. Just so worth it, so worth it. Hey! Hey!
Should we take Dobby home?
I'm Dobby!
And I'm Sam.
We had a Harry Potter theme park today. That's the second one in the world after the first one in London. It's the biggest one. So today we are checking it out. Look at those cute people. I'm of course wearing my Hufflepuff clothes too here. And I'm ready to experience.
The making of Harry Potter is truly not an ordinary park. This brand new attraction offering fans the chance to step behind the scenes of Harry Potter movies production. Here, visitors can see authentic sets, the costumes, and come face to face with the magical creatures while learning filmmaking secrets.
Some parts of the tour is in those places that you cannot record, but some are open for recording, and now we're in a great hall here. But it's absolutely beautiful. It's done so well. Like, look at the walls. It's like solid. It's like not just some props, it's solid. It's so cool. So you probably cannot see it like that, but it's amazing. Like everything from the lights to like the little spoons and forks there. It's just incredible.
While a regional studio where the Harry Potter movies were actually produced is of course in London, the sets in Tokyo have been created using the original methods and techniques, allowing visitors to see up close all of the teeny tiny details of the movies, starting from costumes and finishing with the magical artifacts.
So this is a really sick part, I think. First of all, this is one of my favorite places in Hogwarts with the moving stairs. So basically you can take your picture over there at the stations, and then your image, your short video is going to be part of this live picture wall.
Visitors could also go to the Gryffindor common room, where everything is left as it was in the movies, from little tiny coffee cups, and our heroes, even though the heroes are without heads, which is kind of creepy at first, but then you get used to that. You can also see the Slytherin common room, which, by the way, was super popular and had way too many people, I think. One of many interactive experiences we participated in was Quidditch filming experience, which in my opinion was super fun. So basically we needed to cheer for our team while being recorded on camera. After that, they did the video and added our emotions to the original movies, and this is what we got.
He's got the snitch! Harry Potter receives 150 points for catching the snitch!
Gryffindor wins!
There are so many places, so many things to see, such as a Dumbledore office or Hogwarts Express or Forbidden Forest and everything that's inside of that forest, Diagon Alley, or even see the Ministry of Magic. So I will leave you to quietly observe all of those wonderful things. Hope you enjoy it!
Step up, we've got painting fancies. Those blue nougat are just in time for school. Duking pastels.
Oh.
Seeing Harry Potter home for me was probably the most exciting thing, and I think all of those people are waiting in line for the same reason. It was really fun, so I was able to see the Harry Potter's room, the living room that was showing the scene when thousands of letters arrived to Harry's home, and the kitchen that was showing another scene of when the Harry Potter loses control of his magic and magically inflates this mean lady that turned into the balloon later.
I just also wanted to mention that there's not too many people here. It looks crowded, but I definitely would expect it to be more crowded, like a lot more crowded since this is Tokyo. And there are so many activities, so many things to do, like good for everyone. You can drink butterbeer here, you can look at so many installations, and it looks like people are just like spreading out, like they're just everywhere but nowhere. Don't know what for, but I feel like I need it. This guy got excited about the snake. Taking it. It smells nice, and I'm so hungry. The tour was like from 4:30 to like 8. I think I'm like dying.
Yeah, it was like really long. How's the food?
Man, it's either I'm super hungry or it's amazing. I think the second one. I think it's amazing.
How would you rate it out of 10?
10.
10.
That's a 10 apple pie, like really. It's so weird because this is like a very touristy place, right? The people don't really have choice here. They need to buy whatever like they can find here. And so in that type of places, the food is usually not too good, but this is 10. I'm telling you, try it.
This is 10.
Try it.
So we got the ticket like 3 months ago.
Yeah, we just calculated 3 months ago, and we got the tickets for the first available Friday. And today there was not too many people, not too crowded. So I guess they're like intentionally regulated like that to keep it like less crowded.
Sometimes you have your like own time. while
Yeah, even like without people at all.
Yeah, without
Yeah.
people. Yeah, and it was like 13,000 JPY. And for the
13,000 JPY,
that's like approximately like $100.
$100 for 2 people.
2 people.
Yeah, I do believe it's worth every single dollar, every single yen of that. It's crazy. Say cheers to that!
0 calories.
Buy tickets in advance. I think it's really cool. I think it's really one of the best things I've done so far. But I'm like a really big fan of Harry Potter, so
I think what I would have done differently is that I would have definitely like bought the school uniform. You know, we checked out the prices in the store here, and of course everything's like the price is like it's got a heavy premium on it. Like the coat itself, like it costs like over $100, and I'm like, oh, that's ridiculous. I didn't get a Ravenclaw one, which is kind of sad. Or maybe, right? I would have done just like brought a blue scarf or something because hey, look, I'm wearing a black shirt and black, you know? But hey, right, like black shirt looks like a school uniform for Harry Potter, so yeah, whatever. But I like Harry Potter, but like I'm not like a huge fan. I think 10 out of 10, I think I would recommend this place for sure. Just for like the whole vibe and experience. It's even better if you go with someone who even knows a lot about Harry Potter, because like some of these things like I had no idea what they were about, and I had Oksana to kind of like as a Harry Potter Wikipedia, you know. So yeah, that's another recommendation. All right, that's it, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. That's it today from the Harry Potter world. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Japan contents. And as always, have a good time.